my name is Elsa.
My name is Sumaya Amalia Shafa.
Sihadatul Mafinta.
My name is Kashifa Fitri.
Sri Lutfia.
My name is Una.
Got a cough, dry throat, or just feeling a little unwell? Sometimes all we need is something warm, gentle, and natural. Just like this per herbal soap.
I know it might look a little bit unusual at first, seeing a pear swimming in brood, but trust me guys, it is worth it. Let me show you how to make a simple pear herbal soup that's super shooting the truth.
First, let's get everything ready. The ingredients are super simple. You just need a small pot, a knife and a cutting board, a serving bowl, 1 pear, 2 is totally fine too, depending on what you like, a thumb-sized piece of ginger, 1 stick of cinnamon, a few cloves, and honey.
Once everything ready, let's peel the pear first.
Next, wash the pear until clean. Next, peel the ginger until clean.
After it's all peeled, cut the pear into 4 or 8 pieces. Any shape is fine, totally up to you. And don't forget to remove the core. Then, stick a few cloves into the back of each pear slice.
Next step, prepare a pot filled with enough water. Add the ginger and cinnamon sticks into the pot and bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, add the pear pieces right into the ginger cinnamon water.
Let the pear simmer for about 10 minutes until it softens a bit. During this stage, the pear releases its natural juices, which are known to help first soothe dry throat, second calm cough, and the third give a warm, comforting feeling to the body. And the combination of clove and cinnamon aroma helps open up your breathing and makes your body feel more relaxed.
Don't forget, after about 10 minutes, turn off the heat, remove the cinnamon and ginger, and let it cool down a little.
It's actually already delicious just like this, but if you want to add a bit of honey, go for it. It adds a gentle sweetness and makes the soup even more soothing.
Once it's warm enough, pour it into a bowl. Your pear herbal soup is ready to enjoy.
And of course, enjoy it while it's still warm. Happy tasting!